This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure you're signed into the Chromebook account where the language should change. Once connected to Wi-Fi, install pending updates so system language packs install cleanly. Next, open settings by clicking the clock in the shelf and selecting the gear icon. Use the search box to speed things up. This ensures you can access language options immediately. Make sure system updates finish before changing language, because some translations require the latest components to apply properly. Once in Languages, you'll add the new language and make it active. Click Advanced, then Languages and Inputs, and open Languages. Choose Add Languages. Search or scroll to pick the language you want and add it. After adding, open the language menu, move the language to the top, or set it as preferred for menus and apps. This order determines which language Chrome OS displays. If you want keyboard changes, also add input methods here and enable them so typing matches the new locale. To finalize, apply the change and sign out or restart when Chrome OS prompts you. This loads the new language for System UI. After you sign back in, verify menus, shelf labels, and quick settings display correctly. If some apps remain in the old language, check per app settings. If things go wrong, make sure update's finished, then remove and re-add the language or reboot once more. If keyboard layout is mismatched, adjust input methods in Languages and Inputs and reselect the correct layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.